Hello everyone, this is Balaji. So in this video, after a long back, we are going to discuss about one interesting factor. As well, we are going to launch one new series from this video onwards. What it is means the investment ideas. Okay, so I mean stocks to focus for the month. So with the pick of my stock, we are creating some sample portfolio. Through that, we are tracking every week how much returns the stocks were given for the week as well as the end of the month. So before that, I just show you how what and all stocks I have picked for the month of October. So what basis I have chosen the stock, what is the reason behind in a price action, this kind of thing we are going to discuss before going to the sample portfolio. I have taken a six type of stocks from six sector. So what does it mean? GMR Infra from real estate, Tata Power from energy, Angel Broking from broking industry, Kotak Bank from banking, Jindal Stainless from metal, Dixon Technologies from IT sector. Okay, I just diversified the investment. So this is a ideology for short term investment. I mean 1 month. Okay, we are not going to discuss in between of the month. We just taken now, and let's see the end of the month how much the investment return on investment we are getting from the stocks. Okay, before that I just tell you how I can choose the stocks. Okay, so with the help of price action, first I have taken angel broking. So angel broking, once we look out the long term consolidation breakout happened in a weekly time frame, the stock seems very bullish, the which leads the bullish rally may continue around expecting short term target of around 30%. Okay, so just a short term target, but with the confirmation of weekly breakout in a long time frame, I just taken for October series. This is a reason behind in a selection of angel broking. Next one is GMR Infra. GMR Infra, I have taken a monthly time frame GMR. Actually, this is a short covering breakout, buy a dip strategy. Actually, stock seems a good breakout in a monthly time frame. Okay, in weekly also the closing was very effective. It just break the secondary resistance of rising wedge, which leads the bullish may continue for a while. So I think expecting target will be around 29% for short term investment, because all real estates are getting boomed nowadays. Okay, so from this I just comparing DLF and GMR Infra, but the GMR is looking good in momentum, so that's why I just chosen this. Okay, next one is Kotak. Once we look out the Kotak Bank trend, the stocks seems a very good rally in recent days. After the successful rally of 10% in weekly time frame, it just retraced and closed with one small bearish candle. So I just taken this because bank nifty looking bullish for short term. So once comparatively HDFC, ICICI, SBI, comparatively Kotak is looking good in momentum. So I just taken this. Okay, this is a reason behind. Next one is Dixon Technology. Once we look out the weekly time frame of Dixon Technologies, the stock seems a impulse move breakout ahead for short term. Weekly closing is fantastic. Once we compare the previous two swings of this range, price rejection happened before testing the resistance. But in this scenario, third time it's looking very effective closing. I thought this is an impulse move breakout. Once the breakout happen, the rally may continue for at least 20 to 30% we can expect for short term investment. That's why I just chosen this. Okay, so next one is Tata Power and Jindal Stainless. Tata Power is already in a overbought region. It just break the all-time high. The all-time high around 2008, which was around 158. Okay, it just break in this month. It's the opening was above the 2008 high. so which seems a rally may continue for a short while. This is a reason I just taken, because the industry, the energy, overall energy industry is getting bullish in nowadays. So I just taken this Tata Power, then Jindal Stainless Limited. Once we look out the range of Jindal Stainless, I just taken a weekly time frame of this. The stock traded between the rising wedge pattern. The same thing here also we can able to see the impulse move breakout, expecting maybe already closing was very effective with a long lower shadow support of a rising wedge pattern. Bullish may remain continue for short. Okay, so this is a reason behind I just chosen this stock. Now we are going just come back to the sample portfolio. For each stocks I have given a 10,000 weightage. So overall investments, Apple portfolio investment is around 60,000. Expecting return on investment, whatever it may be, range bound. At the end of the month, if I taking this position at tomorrow, I just exit from the position at the end of the month. I'm not going to watch anything between the weeks. Okay, this is what the investment. This is a short term investment for 1 month. Expecting rate of return is 10, minimum rate of return 10%. Let's see what will happen. So before that, I just tracking the every month, every week return on periodically. I have put the separate video for this every week Sunday, or maybe if I have time, let me see. Okay, so this is a range. I hope you can enjoy this video. Please put some positive comment. Thank you, my dear friends.